York Stock Exchange. Watching Financial Buzz Weekly, I'm Elena Bay, and here's a review of this week's market news. To start the week, U.S. stocks lost ground as markets were still digesting headlines out of Greece over the weekend. On Tuesday, stocks staged a huge rally. Investors were able to shake off early negative news from Greece on hopes of a resolution. The latest job openings and labor turnover survey report showed slight improvement with over 5 million job openings on the last business day of December, the highest in more than a decade. On Wednesday, stocks closed mixed following a very choppy day of trading. Investors continued to watch for developments in negotiations between Greece and EU finance ministers. The U.S. budget deficit widened in January, fueled in part by higher spending on healthcare services for low-income Americans. On Thursday, stocks and oil surged, with tech-heavy Nasdaq leading the way for stocks as oil prices bounced back after 2 straight losing days. A ceasefire agreement between Russia and Ukraine came in early Thursday and sent futures higher. On the economic data front, retail sales declined 0.8%. The weekly jobless claims came in higher at 304,000 last week. On Friday, import prices fell 2.8% in January alone, for a year-on-year contraction of 8%. Deflation is a rising risk for the economic outlook based on import and export price data, where contraction is at its most severe since 2008 recession. Now let's take a look at some company highlights. Apple became the talk of the town on Tuesday after the company closed at an all-time high and was up 64% over the past year. The stock rallied after Apple announced a partnership with First Solar, which came after the company's best quarterly earnings ever in January and the ongoing expansion of Apple Pay. The excellent prospects give the firm a record market cap of more than $700 billion. That wasn't just a record for Apple, it was a new record for any U.S. company. Apple is now in a league of its own. Shares of Tesla, which did not post a profit last quarter, fell 5.6% on Thursday. The electric car maker reported a fourth quarter loss of 13 cents a share. However, the company said that it would spend a staggering amount of money on capital expenditures, which did not calm investors down. The automaker has a lot on its plate right now. Tesla CEO Elon Musk painted a picture of strong growth for 2015, estimating a healthy and positive cash flow in the second half of the year. Stronger sales of popular snacks helped PepsiCo deliver a strong fourth quarter profit that was able to beat Wall Street forecasts. Revenue for Pepsi came in at $19.95 billion. The company also said it would buy $12 billion in stock by 2018. The online booking world keeps shrinking. Expedia said on Thursday that it would buy Orbitz for roughly $1.6 billion, cementing its place as the #1 online travel agency. The deal comes just a few weeks after Expedia bought another popular booking site, Travelocity, for $280 million in cash. After the acquisition, it's now Expedia versus Priceline head-to-head. Thanks for watching Financial Buzz Weekly. I'm Elena Bay. I'll see you again next week.